Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It's Friday, August 7th, 2020, and I want to talk to you about a few things here, what's going on, and again, what we can expect. So let's start off here with the basics. Right now, as I am doing this video blog, stock trading doesn't start for about 45 minutes. Stock futures are slightly in the negative. Okay, no big deal. This market's gone straight up and we need a pullback so badly. It's stupid. But again, will we get one with the promise of more debt on an unprecedented scale? More asset purchases by the Federal Reserve like we've never seen? I guess we're going to find that out. It's just so fake. And speaking about fake, I want to cover more of that in a moment here. Let's talk about a few other things. Cryptocurrencies are under a little pressure here. So is gold and silver. Crude oil is slightly lower. The 10-year yield higher, 0.54. And the dollar is catching a bid. All right, that's where we stand right now. But we know the game. The game is epic debt on a scale that I think very few people can actually get their heads around. But bigger than that is the information war that is going on right now. There are several wars going on right now, and one of them I never even heard of before, but we're going to talk about that. So apparently we got some kind of good news on the jobs front today. We added more jobs than they thought we were going to add. But understand what's happening here. We are in a cold war, full-blown, with China right now. The data coming out of China, all fake, and the data here in the United States, all fake. It's a propaganda war, and it has to be faked because each economy is trying to convince the other that we're in better shape than we actually are. So when you hear government numbers like they're saying we have an unemployment rate of 10.2, it's actually about 30.2. But you can't know that. Again, it's a propaganda war. We're in a cold war. We're also in an app war. Have you heard that one? Yeah, I never heard of an app war before, but President Trump took executive action against a couple of Chinese apps. Can't make this stuff up, but that's where we're at here. So we have a propaganda war. Clearly, this has been going on for a while here. The fake data coming out of China, coming out of the United States, being shoved down our throats. It's been fake for a long time, but now it's really gotten to a point of ridiculousness, and everybody knows it's fake. I don't even talk about these numbers half the time because it's all propaganda via the Cold War that we are in. But an app war? Okay, great. How about this one? So yesterday, President Trump reinstated tariffs on aluminum coming from Canada. Well, Canada has retaliated. Canada is saying that they will retaliate tariffs on United States goods on a dollar-for-dollar basis. So as you can see, it's definitely not a win-win situation. Now I want to know, since we're in an engineered economic depression, regardless of the propaganda war, how does mutual dollar-for-dollar tariffs help the people? Because understand, you pay for it. You pay the tariffs. I know President Trump has tried to convince you for a really long time that China was paying the tariffs, which is a complete falsehood. Tariffs are paid, I'm sorry I'm laughing. This is basic stuff here, people, by the importers and exporters, and then those costs are passed on to you. It's kind of funny to how they portray this stuff, how it was portrayed yesterday by the president. He thinks you're stupid, and if you need any more proof of that, I can't imagine, and again, it doesn't matter. I'm not calling out the president. In a way I am, I guess. He really does think you're dumb. He believes that, let's say in this case, China would write a check for tariffs, or Canada now would write a check. So I guess we're writing a check to Canada now for their retaliatory tariffs, dollar for dollar. No, they're paid by the importers and exporters, and then you pay it. So it doesn't help anybody. They don't work. Tariffs don't work. they've really worked well with China, haven't they? Duh. I mean, you can't make this stuff up, but that's where we are at. All right, so look, just in summary here, stocks appear at this point right now to be poised for a slightly lower open. This market really needs a pullback. I don't know if we're going to get one. I really don't. But we'll see. The promise of easy money, more debt is a very powerful drug for Wall Street. And the Fed is finishing their plan to be the lender and buyer of last resort. So we have a propaganda war. All the data is 100% fake. I don't think we added a single job. Not one single job. And with regard to the unemployment numbers they're telling you, how many of you believe we have a 10.2% unemployment rate? But they make this stuff up, or they float it out here. Propaganda war. Yeah, it's absolutely incredible. And then we have the app war. And then we have the tariff war. Now with Canada, who's going to retaliate dollar for dollar. Sounds great, doesn't it? This is how America is winning. You know that. Duh! All right, look, I'm out of here. We really need to change something around here, let me tell you. All right, this guy here loves you a lot. Please share the video. Follow me on Twitter. I do blow by blow all day long on this stuff. All right, I'm out of here. See you later.